Hey guys,
Don't try any of the dangerous experiments you're about to see at home.
don't do it. We're professionals.
Yeah!
But who are the Bythmusters? Haley Jideman, Saddam Havage, joined by Lori, Tori, and Corey. Between them, less than 2 weeks of any actual experience.
Today on Bythmusters,
It's our special fan service episode.
we've been getting buckets of fan mail recently. Let's see what some of it says. Here's one now.
Okay, well, it wasn't that helpful, but I'm pretty sure I got the gist of what he was going for.
So today, our fan myth is gonna be,
Does toast always land butter side down?
we'll find out today on Bythmusters.
Yeah!
So basically, the origin of this myth, does toast always land butter side down, comes from when people, they have toast for breakfast. Say your ordinary table. Oh, that's a bad table. But you have toast on a plate, right?
Say a baby comes and he just like hits the table and the toast falls off the side.
Yeah, like the whole idea is that the height of the table is just large enough so it has enough time to rotate once and then land butter side down. So basically, we're gonna try to prove or bust this myth based on dropping it from varying heights. Say
Yes.
a larger thing like a parking garage with multiple levels. If we drop it from this distance, we'll see if it always lands butter side down here too, based on, I don't know, the mass distribution or
You can
something.
also drop it from this distance as well.
Yeah.
With someone on each level throwing it off.
So we're gonna see if this myth holds up to all different kinds of heights instead of just your ordinary kitchen table.
Or if it's just a completely random event and there's no way to tell which side it's actually going to fall on.
Let's go out and test it.
Oh yeah.
Boy, is it orange in there. Hey guys, Corey, Tori, and Lori here. We were sitting at... Listen to me! If you do this again, you're out! You're out, alright? Listen to me. I will... Boy, is it orange in there. Hey guys, Corey, Tori, and Lori here. We're sitting around the lab one day, and we thought,
What would happen if we dropped an 8x11 piece of white-lined legal paper, 3-hole punched, and an orange traffic cone side by side at the same time?
which one will hit the ground first? This was really bothering us, so we decided to conduct an experiment. And without further ado, here we go! Ready? Yeah! 3, 2, 1, go! Looks like they hit the ground at the same time. This just proves what we thought. Here at our labs, gravity affects everything at the same rate, regardless of weight or air resistance.
I don't really know if we really matched up all that well.
Oh yeah, I can understand.
I mean, honestly, I'm just a myth buster, and he's this construction worker.
Yo, guys, we're on.
Back to you. Okay, just do that. What are you doing? What are you doing? Dude, are we off?
Are we good? Are we clear?
Cut.
Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. Me and Corey here, we were given a mission by the older experimenters, and they told us, go get some bread, toast it, butter it. We don't know why we're doing it. We're gonna do it anyway.
So we're just gonna see what happens. We're gonna toast it to a nice golden brown. We'll just... I mean, heck if I know what we're using it for.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Is that good? Yeah. Okay, so now that we've toasted the bread to a nice luscious golden brown here, you can see just normal everyday white bread. We bought it at we got it out of the storehouse, the warehouse. But it's, just everyday normal white bread. You can buy it for $2. We didn't know. So now what we're gonna do is butter it with everyday normal shed spread country crock butter, original, no hydrogenated oil, 0 grams of trans fat per serving. So, just gonna take it out. Okay. Just gonna mix it up a little bit. Get that? It's nice. It's nice. I'll listen to that when I go to sleep. Okay. So now we're just gonna take the butter. There we go. Okay. And you want to repeat this about once for every piece of bread you have. And you want to make sure, don't bear down too hard, because you want the bread to be flat. You want it all to be of uniform shape so you don't skew test results.
Hey guys, Saddam Havage here. As you can see, we have all the rows of toast lined up and ready to go for their eventual drops at varying heights. As you can see, some are buttered and some have yet to be buttered, as to keep the consistency fresh right before we drop it. And I'm excited as anyone to see what their final results are going to be. Trial 1, roof. Trial 2, roof.
Record.
Oh no.
Roof. Trial 3. Roof. Final trial. Now, as you can see, we've moved down from the roof to the 4th floor to get a difference in height. So we're gonna check to see if the butter on the bread changes anything from 2 floors down from the original. Floor 4, trial 1. Floor 4, trial 3. Floor 4, final trial. Hello, me again. We've moved to floor 3 now, just to get a different height, As you see, we're not going by even increments, just to get a randomized floor height, which means it'll be check to see if it's really 50-50 or not. We'll find out. Floor 3, trial 1. Floor 3, trial 2. Floor 3, trial 3. 3. Floor 3, final trial. Woo!
Welcome back to Bythmusters.
Oh yeah.
Hamey Gentleman
Saddam Havage.
here, and we did all of our testing for the myth, does toast always land butter side down?
Now it's time for the data.
Let's analyze our results.
We shall.
So as you can see from all of our data, toast does not always land butter side down. Not always, that is.
It sometimes does, sometimes does not, as you can see from our data. Depends on the height.
Yes, and it really depends on how many times it's allowed to rotate. For example, when we dropped it from the table, it always landed butter side down, which is probably where the myth came from. It has just enough time to land, to rotate once and land butter side down.
Yes. But once we dropped it from varying heights, such as a parking garage, it came up more butter side up than butter side down.
And also, to add to this, there are possible sources of error that maybe were not, used in the myth or thought of in the myth, like wind, or
Air resistance.
air resistance, or the way you drop it, anything like that.
I would say the third floor is pretty conclusive from the video that we got that the butter has not enough mass on it to pull the whole thing over and gravity to the ground.
And also, it may not be a little clear, but these numbers are 6th floor, 4th floor, and 3rd floor from the parking garage.
And table.
Yeah, and that's from the table. Doesn't mean it's the table. This is a table. But this is the table that we...
It's a table inside the table.
It's the table that we dropped the toast from. The table, this table, is not that table. The table is all the arrows, and this table is the table. Okay. So, I don't know about you, but this myth seems pretty busted to me, buddy.
Yeah.
That's it. Myth
Myth
busted.
busted.